Printing a double-sided PDF in Adobe Acrobat is straightforward if your printer supports Duplex double-sided printing. So here is a step-by-step guide for printing a double-sided PDF. So let's get started. Firstly, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader or Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer and open the PDF document you want to print by going to File and Open or by dragging the file into Acrobat. Now, once the PDF is open, in the Print dialog box, select your printer from the Printer drop-down menu. Now, depending on your printer, you may see different options. Look for an option like Print on both sides, Duplex printing, or two-sided printing. If available, select the long edge or short edge option for the orientation of the double-sided print. If these options are grayed out, it could mean your printer does not support Duplex printing or the printer driver might need to be updated. So that is it. After that, choose to print all pages or a specific page range. Specify how many copies you want to print. If needed, adjust the scaling or page orientation for printing. And once you have selected the double-sided printing and made any other necessary adjustment, click the print button to start printing. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.